Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is a mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. Let's start a strength today. Let tarot speak to us. Alright, let's picture this. It's high summer. The golden light spills across a wide green field. At the center stands a woman in a flowing white gown. Her expression is calm, almost meditative. With one hand, she gently opens the jaw of a powerful lion. The beast could roar, but instead, it leans into her touch. Above her head floats a glowing infinity sun, a quiet loop of limitless inner power. A crown of red roses circles her hair, and a garland of roses and lilies wrap her waist. In the distance, blue mountains rise toward a cloudless yellow sky, full of steady light, not drama. That's the key. Strength isn't about brute force. It's about graceful control, grounded presence, and fierce love. So this major arcana number 8, and it shows us that the strongest people are often the gentlest. Okay, let's zoom in. That glowing infinite halo above her head is a reminder. Real strength flows from within, and it never runs out. It's a quiet, renewable power, not loud or showy, but always there. The lion represents wild instinct, powerful emotion, even rage or passion. But look, lion isn't being harmed, it's being understood. Its tail lowers, its gaze softens. This is about taming, not dominating. Empathy transforms the beast. The red roses, they mean passion. The white lilies, they show purity. Together, they mean balance. Action with compassion, strength with conscience. She is bent forward, fully present, calmly engaged. The right hand beneath the lion's chin, left hand standing on its snout. Her touch is gentle, but firm. She's not overpowering the lion. She's meeting its energy and calming it. Her white dress shows purity and clarity. Her crown and waist garland connect her energy to the lion's, showing unity between the conscious and the instinctive. And that landscape, the green grass means growth and grounding. Distant mountains showing potential, passion, and power, waiting but not yet unleashed. Yellow skies, that's for hope, strength, and illumination. Everything here radiates serenity in action. So what's the message if upright? This card speaks of inner mastery. You may be facing something challenging, but you are being guided to respond with love, patience, and steady will. Trust that quiet strength can overcome loud chaos. Tap into your calm center and lead from there. Be soft but clear, gentle but grounded. Let compassion be your power. This card also suggests a time to balance instinct and reason, a moment of emotional healing, or a conflict that needs to be met with grace instead of force. In short, this is power without pressure. If this card appears reversed, it's time for a deeper check-in. What could it mean? First, inner power feels lost. You might be doubting yourself, feeling small, or stuck in anxiety. Maybe fear is louder than your faith right now. Or emotions taking over. You could be feeling out of control, acting on impulse, frustration, or even burnout. Maybe you are being reactive or not reflective. What's more, strained relationships. Control issues may be surfacing, trying too hard to manage others or being overpowered yourself. Conflicts may feel sharp, worse hated. The last, energy imbalance. You may be overworking, overgiving, or ignoring your deeper needs. Your nervous system might be whispering, rest, reset, and restore. Reverse strength reminds you, come back to your breath, come back to your center. Your real power was never about control. It was about inner peace. So, how do we work with the strengths in daily life? First, hand-on-heart breathing. Close your eyes, one hand over your heart. Inhale steady energy. Exhale the pressure. Do this for 1 minute. Repeat when needed. Second, name your line. Feeling overwhelmed? Say, "Hey, anger, what are you really asking for?" Naming emotions makes them smaller and easier to get. Furthermore, soft hands, strong will. Whether parenting, writing, or setting boundaries, imagine you're stroking a lion's mane. Speak softly, act clearly. So, the strength teaches us, kindness is not a weakness, it's the most refined kind of power. Alright, are you ready to lead from the heart and trust your quiet courage? That's today, the strength. In our next video, we will meet the hermit, the solitary guide who walks the path of inner truth. If this message resonates, share your Taming the Lion story in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Till next time, breathe deep, lead gently, and let tarot speak to you.